If you're looking for a washing machine which transcends beyond just cleaning capacity to encompass other features like high level of technological innovation, stunning look, great performance, water saver, caring for environment, then this is the one for you. Koryo top loading fully automatic washing machine. Machine parts and identification. Installation. Remove the package and take out the bottom board of the cabinet on the foam cover. Open the lid of the washer door and take out the accessories. Preparation before washing. Adjust the adjustable foot to make the machine be placed stable. The foot extended when rotated clockwise and shortened when rotated counterclockwise. Installation of drain hose. Completely sleeve the drain hose over the sewer. Fix and tighten it with the hoop. Water drain hose can only be extended till 3 meters or else it may affect the water discharge time. The placed height of the water drain hose shall not exceed 15 cm. Installation of water inlet pipe. Put the water inlet pipe screw on the tap. Tightly screw another end of the water inlet hose on the water inlet wall with rubber seal ring inside. Connect with the power source. Put in the clothes and suitable amount of washing powder in the detergent pocket. Select the desired program and press start button. Make sure that you take out coins, keys, other hard goods and zip up clothes tightly. Prevent them from the damage. Maintenance. Use gentle clothing to wipe off the water and dirt on the surface each time after using the washing machine. Please do not use any kind of detergent, propellant and other chemicals to clean the surface. It may damage the body. Cleaning the magic filter. After using the washing machine for a period, take out the lint filter, open the filter and wash it clean with water. Restore it and fix it. Koryo washing machine comes with 10 years of warranty on motor. So enjoy your washing with Koryo.